In this video, I am going to show you how to show cool notification like this in your Flutter project. You can even customize it according to your preference and needs. Firstly, add this dependency in your pubspec.yaml file, and I have defined some constant colors in my constants.dart file. You can find whole source code and link given in description. To show notification, just add Elegance notification.success inside onTap method of any button and provide text widget as description and add .show method at the end and pass context inside it. Click on button and voila, your notification pops out. You can even add title and give it some highlighted style as well. This looks cool, to be honest. Not just this, you can also handle notification interaction like dismiss and notification tap to implement some cool transition in your app. To do that, just pass on dismiss and on notification pressed callbacks, and add your logic inside that callbacks. You can also show staked notifications by just adding staked options parameter and passing stacked option object with values key, type and item offset. Play around with these values to get best results that suit your project needs. You can even customize the way notification comes in and where it is being shown by just adding position and animation parameters. There is error and info constructor as well. These are predefined by the plugin team and look so nice if you want to show different notification for different events. You can even customize notification as whole. Just initialize Elegance notification and pass description inside it. Give it an icon, title, and boom, your customized notification is ready. You can even change progress bar color by assigning progress indication color with your favorite color. Add some styling to your icons and text and you will have your own custom notifications. Thank you for watching. Find source code in the description and sub to the channel.